So yeah, so she's mommy and this mom.
And they both raised you?
Yes.
And your sister?
Yes.
Who's younger than you?
Yes.
What does she do?
My sister is a scientist.
Hello.
Yeah.
You have a scientist in Kawangware?
Yes, everywhere. You know, I mean, it doesn't matter, Jeff. It's not about Kawangware. It's about it doesn't matter where you come from. It's about who you are, what you have, and what you have as your values, really. It doesn't matter. It's just a situation.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not a circumstance.
Hmm.
Yeah. Actually, it's not really a place where you can say that because I come, or it shouldn't be a reason for you to always go back to say because I came from a certain place I couldn't achieve this. No, that's not the power of the human mind. No, and that shouldn't stop anybody's potential.
Yeah.
You have the same brain as the person that comes from Runda. You have the same brain as the same person that comes from Lavington Green or Lavington Brown. It doesn't matter, man.
Yeah, tell that to your friends,
You know,
your generation out there.
It doesn't matter.
You know, who think those are Barbies out there.
No, it doesn't matter. We just have this notion and these stereotypes of classifying and diversifying things, and it's all misconstrued, Jeff. Yeah.
What did you want to be growing up? Because obviously you loved reggae.
Yes.
But what did you want to be?
I wanted to be so many things at the same time, Jeff. I was always so confused. I was such a geek.
You?
Yes, I'm a geek. I'm not going to lie to you. I'm such a geek. I read a lot. I'm very interested in very many weird things. But when I was growing up, I never saw myself doing what I do today. I love reggae, that's for true. I grew up listening to it. But I knew it would be something to do with music. At first I wanted to be a doctor, then nah. Then music was always part of my life. It was always part of my life because when I grew up, I actually grew up with Daudi Kabaka. He was our neighbor. And he was, yes.
Daudi Kabaka?
Yes. And he was my grandmother's friend, very good friend. And very many bands, I was exposed to very many bands at a young age. Hence, the reason why I'm so